Namaste, Vanakkam, Hare Krishna. Welcome to Conscious Cooking with me, Anuradha. This morning we're going to make a delicious fruit relish called Seb Chutney using apples. So to make this apple chutney, we will need about 8 Granny Smith apples that's been peeled and then cut into bite-sized pieces. We'll need sugar, some salt, bay leaves, we'll need ghee, cinnamon, cardamom, we'll need some star anise and some clove, and we're also going to be adding in some sultanas, chili and some curry leaves. So we'll start by cooking the apple. Wait for the ghee to just heat up a little bit, and then we add in our apples. So as the apples start cooking in this ghee, we'll just start adding in some of our other ingredients, a few cloves, 1 star anise, a good piece of cinnamon, 2 or 3 cardamom pods and a bay leaf. And we are also going to be adding in some chili and some curry leaves. And we'll just give that all a nice stir. And then we will just close our lid and let it just cook for maybe a minute or so. Now going to add in our sugar. Of course you can add in as much sugar as you like. For 8 apples I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of sugar, and I'm also going to be adding in about 2 tablespoons of sultanas, and I'm going to add in just a little bit more ghee so that it gets a nice rich flavor. We'll give all that a good stir. So I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of dhania and jeera powder and mix that in quite nicely. So let's have a look at our apple chutney now. Yes, you can see that the apples have caramelized very nicely. It's cooked down. All the sugar and the ghee has been absorbed. It has an amazing smell that's coming out from all those sweet spices that we've put in. So we're now ready to plate. And there we have our very own homemade Seb chutney served with roti.
Today on Yoga for Wellness, Kugan demonstrates Pavan Mukta Asana, a pose used to increase blood circulation and stimulate the nerves, increasing the efficiency of the internal organs. Lokesh Maharaj follows this up with more interesting anecdotes from the Ramayana.